Today's Bible verse comes from Psalm chapter 145, verse 18, King James Version. The Lord is nigh unto all them that call upon him, to all that call upon him in truth. Psalm 145:18 says, God is near to all who call on him truthfully, meaning he is available to those who sincerely seek him with their whole heart without pretense. This emphasizes God's accessibility and his desire for a genuine, honest relationship with people, assuring them that he listens and responds to their true and heartfelt pleas for help. Here's a breakdown of the verse. Number 1. God's nearness. The verse promises that God is not distant, but is actively near to those who call out to him. Number 2. Sincerity is key. The condition is that they must call in truth, which means approaching God with honesty and sincerity, not with empty words or pretense. Number 3, a personal relationship. This points to God valuing a genuine, authentic relationship where you are honest with him about your needs and feelings. And number 4, a response of grace. The verse suggests that when you call on him sincerely, God is ready to respond with grace and help. Amen.